Hey everyone, we're excited to share a quick preview of an awesome project we're moving into installation on. We've completed the PruWire for the home's full surveillance system, including a smart video doorbell at the front entry. Here in the foyer, we'll be adding automated lighting to create the perfect welcome home experience. We'll also automate the built-in wine cabinets to tie in the home smart system. In the formal dining and kitchen area, we'll install smart dimmers for lighting control and architectural speakers for seamless entertaining. Here you'll see a cozy office space nestled under the stairs where we'll be setting up the home's network hub and adding an architectural stereo speaker for ambient music during those work hours. Here in the family room, we're installing a frame TV to match the home's elegant design while hiding all the equipment cleanly inside the built-ins. Just off the family room to your left is a gourmet outdoor kitchen where we'll add outdoor speakers and an outdoor TV for dining and entertainment. This is the guest casita, which will also feature architectural speakers, smart lighting, and a high-speed mesh network for a full connected guest experience. Your guests will not want to leave. This has to be the highlight of the project, a custom garage gym decked out in UVH Google Pride. We'll be mounting TVs and installing speakers to keep those workouts pumped and energized. Go Cougs! Thank you for watching, stay tuned for the final reveal, and if you're ready to take your home's technology to the next level, reach out to us. We'd love to bring your vision to life.